Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, for everybody else, welcome back, guys. Alright, guys, I am back with DWP Digital Wealth Pros. Alright. If you're here for the first time, you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to put a link in the description of a video I previously did for this program, okay? But, guys, it's an automated system that allows you to collect $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions on autopilot, okay? Because everything is set up for you. The sales funnel is set up. They got this video right here that does all the selling and telling for you. All you're going to do is get people to get to your capture page and they watch this video. Okay, and this pays out instantly. Okay, instant commissions, no holding your commissions. Okay, as soon as someone joins through the call center, they close them out because we do have a call center with this program. You're paid instantly any way you like. Okay, they have the state-of-the-art sales funnel that's already set up, high converting. They have the analytics, so you can go in your back office and kind of see what the traffic is looking like, which page. And I recommend you try different systems. I have a third-party system. You want to try different sales pages. Okay, to see what the analytics is showing. How many opt-ins are you getting? All right, but they have this already for you. Okay, they also have it where you can connect your Aweber, your external autoresponder, to the system, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp. If you don't want to use their system, you can get paid via Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, any way you want, or even in the mail. If you specify, hey, I want everybody just to mail me my payments via money order, you can do that. Okay, your favorite method, is up to you. And guys, they have campaigns, okay, with Digital Wealth Pros, where they can show you how to advertise, okay, to get people to your page. Not to mention, this program does come with a digital library of eBooks, audios, and videos that'll help you improve your business as well. Health and wellness also is included. Okay, so digital products is here to help you learn, okay, as you earn. Now, this system is 95% automated because you're going to have your capture page. That's what you're going to drive people to, whatever method that is, whether it's solo ads, postcards, text message marketing, whatever you do to get them to the capture page. Once you get them there, 95% of the system will be automated, because once they opt in, they're going to get an email from the system. Okay, it's going to be like what we call a drip email series. So throughout the next couple weeks, it's going to be sending them emails to remind them about the program and sending them back here to watch this video. Okay, and then if they have any questions, the 800 number is on this page. They're going to call the call center. The call center is going to answer all their questions. Give them they're going to give the call center your ID, and the call center is going to close the sale, and you get paid. So 95% of the system is automated. The other 5% is you promoting to get people to the system to watch the video. Okay, simple steps: watch a video, call a number, ask your questions, get signed up, and then start driving traffic to the system, and then you just sit back and get paid. Okay, here's the call center's number. Give them a jingle. Okay, they're at 800-232-2109. My ID number is here, 442-89634. Okay, and they'll get you all set up. Now, when you join my team, okay, we have what we call done-for-you marketing. So for the first 30 days, you don't have to do your marketing. We'll do that for you. If you like the results that you're getting, we have a co-op. You can sign up for that, and that's $100 a month. And of course, you can cancel that at any time. Okay, but that gives people some sort of relief, knowing that, hey, I don't have to do the marketing. Okay, that's what's some of the biggest challenges: the marketing and then talking to people to close the sale out. But see here, the call center has taken care of that for you, but now you still have to market it. All right. So that's where my team comes into play, the elite marketing team. Okay. By the way, I do have a proof payment from one of the co-op members that have received their first commission. So that's what I want to show you guys today as well. So call the number, give them my ID. This page, as you can see, will have your picture on it. So it does all the selling and telling for you guys. Okay. So your job is just to get people over here. Let me show you the back office really quick, and then I'm going to show you that proof payment from one of our co-op members. Now, co-op, that means, well, with this person in specific, they had already signed up with someone else. They weren't getting results, so they joined our co-op, and the co-op has produced a $200 sale for them. All right, so that's what I'm going to show you, but let me show you the back office real quick. Okay, I'm in the dashboard, as you can see here, and they provide you with 4 capture pages that you can use to drive traffic to, and a sales page, which is what we were just on. And right here, guys, is the products that you get. There's 3 levels. Let me sign back in. All right, there's 3 levels. We have the bronze level. Here's the digital products you're going to receive. As you can see, my phone is going crazy. That level is $297. That allows you to collect $200 commissions. Then we have the gold level, which is $497. That allows you to earn $400 commissions. And if you join at the platinum, it's $997 to get started. And you're able to earn $800 commissions here. Okay, so you have products that you can actually learn from, and then you can earn from the system by letting the call center close all your sales for you. All right, guys. So what I want to do is show you that proof payment from one of our co-op members, just to show you that the co-op does work. The marketing is going to be done for you. All right. So let me show you that proof payment here. Okay, right here I received an email from Kevin. He says, "Hey Pandora, thanks to the elite marketing team for my first DWP sale." So he had already joined through somebody else, okay, and haven't had any success. So he joined our co-op and he received his first DWP sale. So I want to show you what he sent over so you can see the proof of that. Hang on a second. Okay, right here, see, it's Kevin. It's his Cash App, okay? And there's the $200 payment that came in to him from the elite marketing team, guys. So if you haven't found success on your own, join our co-op, $100, okay? You can cancel that anytime. At least try it for 30 days, okay? Because if you hadn't been successful already and you've invested in this program, you might as well steam ahead forward and continue to you at least get your money back, right? So that's the 5% that has to be done. You have to do the marketing, okay? So that's where we will come into place of doing that for you. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, the link is in the description. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. And remember, again, when you join me at any one of these levels, the first 30 days, we're going to do the marketing for you. It's only the folks that are joining the co-op that's going to pay the $100, okay? Or if you decide after you join and the 30 days is over, you like the results we're showing you, you can join the co-op. All right, guys? So this basically is for everybody, okay? Because I know it's a lot of people that have signed up. They've invested and they haven't made their money back yet. So that's why I want to be a part of something like that. Because, of course, I can make my own sales, okay? But I wanted to get in the program because it's great. I've got a lot of projects going myself. And sometimes I may not be promoting it myself. But now I've got my $100 is in their pot as well. And I let that company, the elite marketing team, do the marketing for me, okay? So I've partnered with them, and that's what I'm doing. So if it sounds great to you guys, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.